Good morning, students. Now in this class we are going to discuss the equation of tangent with slope m to the circle or in the different forms. In previous classes we discussed the condition for the line touching the circle. The condition the line touching the circle is very important thing. It is the radius of the circle is equal to the perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. If you prove that the radius of the circle is equal to the perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line, then the line is said to be tangent to the circle. Regarding this, we are discussing the concept. The line y equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square equal to r square. This circle is called a standard equation of circle. Standard equation of circle means the circle whose center is at origin with radius r, that is x square plus y square equal to r square. Now the line y is equal to mx plus c touching the circle x square plus y square equal to r square if c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square, that is from c equal to plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. This c value substitute in the line y is equal to mx plus c here. Therefore, this equation will becomes y is equal to mx plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Now onwards, you can treat as the equation of tangent with slope m to the circle x square plus y square equal to r square is y equal to mx plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square. Suppose the circle is not in the standard form, if it is in the general form. That means, how to write that formula? The equation of tangent with slope m to the circle S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. It is in the general form. Is y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into square root of 1 plus m square, where r is the radius of general equation of circle. This is the equation of tangent with slope m. These are the two forms. One is related to standard equation of circle, another one is related to general equation of circle. Now we will take the problems. Find the equation of tangents to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0, which are parallel to x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Here they are asking to calculate tangent equations. These tangent equations are parallel to the line x plus 2y minus 8. So first what we have to do? To apply that, to find that tangent equations, we need to calculate, this is general equation of circle, we need to calculate g value, f value and radius value. After that, the line we have to write it x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Find the slope of that line. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope is minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that means minus a by b. So minus 1 by 2 will come here slope. That is m, it is denoted by m. M is equal to minus 1 by 2. After getting up these values, you have to apply the formula. So now, this equation, given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This equation comparing with general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. 2g equal to minus 4, so g equal to minus 2. 2f equal to 6, f equal to 3. And c is equal to minus 12. After knowing the value of g, f, c, find the radius r equal to g square minus 2 whole square plus 3 square f square 3 square, that is 9, minus c minus of minus 12 plus 12. So 13 plus 12 is 25, root 25 is equal to 5. Now g, f and radius values we got it. Now given line we have to write x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. The slope of that line is m equal to minus 1 by 2. After that, the equation of tangents with slope m and which are parallel to this line is, write formula. Before that we have formula y plus f is equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. Just what we discussed in the previous slide, that is second formula here we are applying now. So y plus f means what? 3 equal to m into m value is minus 1 by 2 into x plus g value is minus 2. So x plus g plus or minus r into r value is 5, square root of 1 plus m square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So here what we are doing is y plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 2 plus or minus 5 into square root of, take LCM in this square root, 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 4, 4 we can take outside of the root, it will become as 2. So here 2, take LCM and we can take this side, it will become as 2 into y plus 3 equal to minus x by minus of x minus 2, it means minus x plus 2 plus or minus 5 into root 5. So these minus values we are taking this side means left side. So minus x we can take this side plus x, 2 plus or minus root 5 we can write it as minus 2 plus or minus 5 root 5 equal to 0. After simplifying we will get it as x plus 2y plus 4 plus 5 root 5 plus or minus equal to 0. So here two equations are there. If we consider plus, one equation of tangent which is parallel to the given line. If we consider minus, another equation of tangent which is parallel to given line. Like this you can apply. This type of question is important for 4 marks. We'll go to the next question. See here, this is also a different question based on the condition of tangent. Show that the line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0 touches the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So one line is given, one circle is given. Whenever one line and circle is there, they are asking to prove it is a tangent. I already said that first to calculate the radius of the circle, after that center, and from center to the line calculate the perpendicular distance. If you prove that r value is equal to d, then the line will become tangent to the circle. Now we will come to the answer. See that first given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. So comparing with general equation of circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g equal to minus 6, g equal to minus 3. We got it here. 2f equal to 4, then f is equal to 2. C is equal to 12. After knowing the value of GFC, find the radius. Radius equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means minus 3 whole square plus f square 2 square minus c minus 12. So 13 minus 12 is 1. So radius is equal to 1. We got it. Radius value we got it. Next center C is equal to minus g minus f. So minus of minus 3 comma minus 2. So center is 3 comma minus 2. Now calculate the perpendicular distance from the center of the circle 3 comma minus 2 to the line given line 5x plus 12y minus 4 equal to 0. So d is equal to, d is the perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the given straight line. So d equal to, here we applied the formula d equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. We already discussed in the last classes regarding this perpendicular distance. Once you go through that, so d is equal to 5 into, in place of x substitute 3, 5 into 3 plus 12 into minus 2 minus 4 divided by root of a square means 5 square plus b square means 12 square. So 15 minus 24 minus 4. So 15 minus 24 minus 4. That means total it will becomes here 15 minus 24. It will become minus 4. Sorry, minus 9. Minus 9 minus 4 minus 13. Mod minus 13 is plus 13. Square root of, in denominator, 5 square 25 plus 12 square 144. 144 plus 25 is 169. Root 169 is 13. So 13 by 13 which is equal to 1. D value is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we are observing that the radius of the circle is equal to perpendicular distance from center of the circle to the line. Whenever r is equal to d, the given line is a tangent to the circle. Like this you have to write the conclusion. Hence the given line is tangent to the circle. We'll move to the next question. This is also tangent condition, but here we no need to prove. This question they are asking to calculate point of contact. If 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle represented by x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0, then find its point of contact. Already given 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 is a tangent to the circle. Then find its point of contact. Observe the diagram. This is first given line 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 and given circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Equation number 2. This equation, given general equation of circle, comparing with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, 2z equal to minus 6, z equal to minus 3, 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2, c equal to minus 12. So 2z equal to minus 6, z equal to minus 3 and 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2. Center is minus z minus f, no? So minus of minus 3 plus 3, minus f means minus 2. Center we got it. So radius of the circle r equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. G square means 3 square minus 2 square, that means 9 plus 4. C value is minus 12. Minus of minus 12 plus 12. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 2 12, 25. Root 25 is equal to 5. So radius of the circle we got it. After that, equation 1 touches equation 2. That means this line is a tangent to the circle. Whenever the line touches the circle, one point will be there. That one and only one point is P of h comma k. That is called point of contact. How to calculate the point of contact? That is our question. P of h comma k be the, let P of h comma k be the point of contact. From the diagram, if you observe that the point of contact is foot of perpendicular from center of the circle to the line 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. So whenever it is foot of the perpendicular, go to the first year concept, foot of the perpendicular formula. The center coordinates you have to write it as x1 y1, that is 3 comma 2 is x1 y1. P of h comma k is the required point of contact with respect to the line 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Now here underlined here, P is foot of perpendicular from center 3 comma minus 2 of the circle to the line. Then we have write the formula h minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. After that, the given line 4x minus 3y plus 7 equal to 0 compare with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 4, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 7. Now apply formula foot of perpendicular. H minus x1 value is 3 by a value is 4. K minus y1 value is 2. So here k1 value is minus 2. So here minus of minus 2 is plus 2. Here y1 value is minus 2. Minus of minus 2 plus 2. Divided by b value is minus 3 equal to minus ax1 plus by1 plus c means in this line wherever x comma y is there 3 comma minus 2 substitute. So it will becomes 4 into 3 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 7. 12 plus 6 plus 7 it will becomes so here 25, it will becomes 25 by 25, minus is there. So 25 get cancelled, minus 1. So equating these two terms and equating these two terms, h minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So h minus 3 equal to minus 4. H is equal to minus 4 plus 3 which is equal to minus 1. K plus 2 equal to 3. K is equal to 3 minus 2 which is equal to 1. Therefore, point of contact equal to P of h comma k which is equal to P of minus 1 comma 1. Therefore, like this we can calculate the point of contact. When line is given, when circle is given, we have to prove the tangent means in previous question we observed that we have to prove that R is equal to D. If they are asking to calculate point of contact when line is given, when circle is given, you have to apply foot of perpendicular formula. Foot of perpendicular formula. In first year it will be there, that only we discussed here. We'll move to the next question. This is an example problem and important. Find the area of the triangle formed by the tangent at P of x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square with the coordinate axis. First, here in this question, find the area of triangle formed by the tangent equation to the circle. Tangent equation to the circle is always S1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0 correspond to the corresponding equation of circle. You have to write it. First, let the equation of the tangent at P of x1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square equal to a square is, you write it here, S1 equal to 0. In this equation, this is standard equation of circle. It is not general equation. Whenever it is not general equation, g comma f values will be here by observing that g and f values will be zeros. So in place of x square, while writing S1, I have already discussed in the notations. In place of x square, it will become xx1. In place of y square, it will become yy1. And g value, x term, y term is not there, only constant. A square you can take this side, minus a square. Here also constant as it is, you have to write minus a square. So for this equation, tangent is xx1 plus yy1 minus a square equal to 0. After that, this is the tangent equation. Observe in the diagram here, this is AB. This is the tangent equation at the point x1, y1. They are asking to calculate this area, the area formed by this tangent with the coordinate axis. Now what I am doing is, for this line, I am calculating x-intercept OA and y-intercept OB I am calculating now. How to get it is, so to get OA value, OA is x-intercept length, that is small a, x-intercept length, small a. So this line cuts the x-axis at point A. On x-axis y coordinate is 0, no? So y is equal to 0, substitute in this equation. It will becomes xx1 minus a square equal to 0. So from this x1 is equal to, from this xx1 is equal to a square, x1 is equal to a square by x1, like this. And this line cuts the y-axis, y is equal, x is equal to 0, substitute, y value will come there, that is y-intercept. After knowing the values of OA, x-intercept, OB, y-intercept, formula, the area of triangle formed by the line x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is half into AB. AB means here x-intercept into y-intercept. We'll see that. So x and y-intercepts are a square by, this is a square by x1 is x-intercept. A square by y1 is y-intercept. This is small a, this is small b. So the required area of triangle is half into AB, mod AB. Half into a value is a square by x1 and b value is a square by y1. So half into a square is a power 4 divided by x1 into y1. This is important for 4 marks. Sometimes they will ask for 2 marks also. First, in this question, what we did? First, we calculated the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent converting into intercept form and get the values of x-intercept and y-intercept and apply area of triangle formula, half into x-intercept into y-intercept. That is half mod AB. A value, B value, clearly it will be there from 2 equation here. Substitute in this and simplify. That only answer. We'll go to the next question. See that. Find the equation of tangent to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0 at 3 comma minus 1. Here 2 questions are there. Observe carefully. One question for 2 marks, another question for 2 marks. Total 4 marks question, which is important. Find the equation of tangent to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0 at 3 comma minus 1. Also find the equation of tangent parallel to it. First you have to calculate tangent equation. For the tangent equation, parallel tangent we can calculate. So first given point x1 comma y1, that is 3 comma minus 1. Given point is 3 comma minus 1. and given circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y equal to 0. So from this what we have to do is compare with general equation of circle and get the values of g, f and radius value also. So comparing with general equation of circle, 2g equal to minus 2, g equal to minus 1, 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2. Now the equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 to the circle s is equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. s1 equal to 0 means x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. So x into x1 value is 3 plus y into y1 value is minus 1 plus g into g value is what here? Minus 1. Minus 1 into x plus x1, x plus 3 plus f into y plus y1, f value 2f equal to 4 means f equal to 2. 2 into y plus y1, y plus y1 value is minus 1. 2 into y minus 1 equal to 0. After simplifying that, 3x minus y minus x minus 3 plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0. So 3x minus x is 2x, minus y plus 2y is y, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the tangent equation at the point 3 comma minus 1. Here half of the problem completed. In this slope of this line you can calculate by using the formula minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Or if you compare with this equation with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 5. Slope definition m equal to minus a by b. So minus 2 by 1 which is equal to minus 2. Slope m equal to minus 2. After getting the slope value, radius also calculated. Radius r equal to square root of g square. G value is minus 1. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. Plus f square. 2f equal to 4 means f is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. Minus c. C value is not there in this equation. That value is 0. So root of 1 plus 4 which is equal to 5. Root 5. Therefore radius of the circle is equal to 5. Root 5. Radius value we know that. Slope of the tangent also we know that. And g, f values also we know that from the equation of circle. Now they are asking to calculate, find the equation of tangent which is parallel to the line. Parallel means the required tangent is parallel to the line, parallel to the tangent at 3 comma minus 1 means whenever the two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. So the required tangent slopes are equal to m equal to minus 2. Now the equation of tangent with slope m to the circle and which are parallel to the line 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0 or y plus f equal to m into x plus g plus or minus r into root of 1 plus m square. So y plus f value is 2 equal to m into m value is minus 2 into x plus g value is minus 1. So x minus 1 plus or minus r value root 5 into root of 1 plus m square, 1 plus 2 minus 2 whole square. So it will becomes y plus 2 equal to minus 2x plus 2 plus or minus root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. After that, these values we are taking this side. So minus 2x we can take this at plus 2x plus y plus 2 and minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 we can take this side minus 2 plus or minus 5 we can take this at plus or minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus y plus or minus 5 equal to 0. This is also important for 4 marks. One circle and point is given. We calculated s1 equal to 0. For the tangent equation, parallel equation of tangent to the circle we calculated. Now we will move to the next question. Find the equation of tangent at p of 7 comma minus 5 of the circle s equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So whenever point and circle, this type of problem may chances to ask for 2 marks. Given point x1, y1, given equation of circle s is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with general equation of circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So 2g equal to minus 6, g equal to minus 3, 2f equal to 4, f equal to 2, c equal to minus 12. After that, apply the formula. the equation of tangent at P of x1, y1 to the circle S equal to 0 is S1 equal to 0. Is very, very important. Throughout this chapter, S1 equal to 0 is very important. You note it. X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Now, in place of x1, y1, g, f and c, substitute the respective values in this after the simplify. So, x into 7 plus y into minus 5 plus g value minus 3 into x plus x1, x plus 7 plus f values 2 into y minus 5 minus 12 equal to 0. So 7x minus 5y minus 3x minus 21 plus 2y minus 10 minus 12 equal to 0. 7x minus 3x equal to 4x minus 5y plus 2y is minus 3y minus 21 minus 10 minus 12 minus 43 equal to 0. Like this, you can calculate the equation of tangent at P of 7, minus 5 to the circle S is equal to 0. 1 point and 1 circle. Next, in this exercise 1C, first question I said no. So remaining 2 to 3 problems are there. Try to solve that as a homework. We'll move to the next question. Normal concept. Find the equation of normal at P of 1, 3 of the circle S equal to 3 into x square plus y square minus 19x minus 29y plus 76 equal to 0. Given point P of 1, 3, that is x1, y1. Given circle 3 into x square plus y square minus 19x minus 29y plus 76 equal to 0. It is not in the general form. Whenever the given circle is not in the general form, first you have to making into the general form throughout dividing by that particular constant. Here constant is there, here 3. The coefficient of x square and y square, whatever the value will be there, throughout dividing by that value. So it will becomes x square plus y square minus 19x by 3 minus 29y by 3 plus 76 by 3 equal to 0. This equation you have to compare with general equation of circle now. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now 2z equal to minus 19 by 3, 2f equal to minus 29 by 3 and c equal to 76 by 3. Now g equal to minus 19 by 6, f equal to minus 29 by 6 and c equal to 76 by 3. After getting the values of g, f and x1, y1, you have to write the formula for normal equation of circle. So the equation of normal at P to the circle S equal to 0 is x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. So x minus x1 value is 1 into y1 value is 3 plus f value is minus 29 by 6. So 3 minus 29 by 6 minus y minus 3 into x1 value is 1 plus g value is minus 19 by 6 equal to 0. Now we are going to the simplification. X minus 1 into, after taking LCM, it will become 18 minus 29 by 6 minus y minus 3 into, after taking LCM for this term, 6 minus 19 by 6 equal to 0. So x minus 1 into minus 11 by 6 minus y minus 3 into minus 13 by 6 equal to 0. So each and every term of this one multiplying by minus 11, minus 11x plus 11 by 6 minus into minus is plus 13y minus 39 by 6 taking LCM. Whenever LCM will be same, you have to add the numerators here, plus symbol is there. So minus 11x plus 11 plus 13y minus 39 divided by 6 equal to 0. So by cross multiplying, minus 11x plus 13y minus 28 equal to 0. Throughout multiplying by minus. Why? Because x term is having negative now. The first term always should be positive. By multiplying by minus, we will get it as 11x minus 13y plus 28 equal to 0. Whenever one point and one circle is given, this is the procedure to calculate the normal equation of circle at the point P. We'll discuss in the next class. In the exercise 1C, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.